In this video, I will take you on a deep dive into the world of Visby AI to see if it truly lives up to the hype as a game changer for content creators and video editors. Many of us spend countless hours staring at a screen trying to cut out silence or fix pacing issues, but Visby AI claims to automate all of those tedious tasks with just a few clicks. Throughout this review, I will break down the core features starting with its impressive ability to automatically remove dead air and awkward pauses from your footage. This feature alone can save you hours of manual editing work, especially if you record long-form podcasts or tutorial videos where silence often creeps in. We will also explore the smart zoom capabilities, which help keep the viewer engaged by adding dynamic movement to your shots without you having to keyframe every single motion yourself. Another standout aspect of this platform is the interface, which feels remarkably intuitive for both beginners and seasoned pros alike. It simplifies the workflow by using artificial intelligence to analyze your audio tracks and identify exactly where the energy drops. However, no tool is perfect, and I will also touch on some of the limitations you might encounter while using current versions of the software. We will discuss the pricing structure to determine if the investment provides enough value for your specific creative needs, or if you might be better off sticking to traditional manual methods. By the end of this review, you will have a clear understanding of whether Visby AI is the right addition to your production toolkit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you decide.